Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Techaruna, and I hope all of you know about that. I'm running a series on Canva tutorial. In today's episode, we are going to see how to create a folded paper effect using Canva. It can also be said as curl effect in Canva and also page turn effect. So without wasting much of the time, let us move on to the platform, Canva platform, log in and take out a blank template. After taking out a blank template, go to elements and search for a image. So let me search for an image. I'm going to use this image and set this image as background. Done. Now we have to go to element again, search for folded paper, paper folded or folded paper. You got this here. Now you need to click the three dot and see more like this. So that will get more options to choose from. So here we go. We have got so many curl effect here. I'll use this simple one and I'm going to place it on the top so that, so I'm going to twist and turn it and position it as per my need. I have done this. I'm going to set this properly. Even I want to resize this also. So you can just resize the curl. Done. Now I want the same thing in the opposite side also. I'm going to duplicate it. Again, drag and drop and turn and twist and make it perfect. So if you want, you can again enlarge here. Now done. Now, so we need to add some effects on this paper fold. I'm choosing it. I'm going to edit image. I'm going to see what all the filters available. I need to have a perfect filter to match with the image. Say soft aura we have used. Here also I'm going to use soft aura. Done. Now we need to go to elements again and choose frame, right angle triangle frame I want. So I'm getting it, I think left angle triangle I need. I can place this here. I can turn and twist and position it and make it bigger and bigger so that that triangle exactly fits over there. Done. Now I'm going to duplicate it. Again, I'm going to drag and drop and then again turn and twist and I'm going to paste it here and then I'm going to drag it and make it smaller so that it fits over here. Still, it is not exactly matching. So I can go and use the option turn and twist and then enlarge and place it. Done. Now both the sides we've got the frames. Now we need to add on some image over here. We can go for sunrise. Let us see sunrise what it gives. It will give proper color. We can add on to add more effect over here. Let me choose something very good. Orange. Sunrise orange. So it will give a better color. Yeah. I'm getting better ones. Now I'm going to choose something here. I'll do this. Yes. I've done this. I'm going to drag it on and it is done. Here again I'm going to place it here also the same. Now you can see here how this simple photo has actually elevated into an aesthetic image. Again, I'm going to add some title here, memories. I want to change the font style. So I'll choose something here, very nice, and then I'm going to drag and make it bigger and then turn and twist and again I'm going to drag and position it on the empty space available. Now it is still, the color is not good. We can go and always change the color to white. Now you can see the wonder this paper curl effect had done to this image. So that's all from my desk today, and I hope you learned something new today. If so, click the button like, share, and subscribe. And if you have some suggestions, do write in the comment box. And thank you for watching.